There's a little baby bird on the front porch. Yeah. And it's got everybody's attention. Luckily, Buddy's on the back porch. There's a baby. It's a baby, Sky. Oh, that's my baby. Let me at it. You guys can't get out there and get that baby. No way am I going to let you do that. No, Mama's not going to do that. Joe, be nice to Sky.